I'm delighted that we've come to this point. There's been a lot of time has gone into it, and it's been most enjoyable, and it's things have changed along the way, and I suppose it's great to be there's a line drawn under it now, and let's see how it works.
So
I suppose the one that kind of excites me is the so long go, but the one that I think might change the game most is the three back, the 3 men back. So it's going to be very interesting to see how these work in practice. And I know there's a game next weekend, but where I'm really looking forward to seeing them where National League points are at stake and championship wins are at stake.
perfect, and it is happening at that day.
Well, in traditionally what would happen is that if a forward was dragging his legs coming out, the goalie had to wait, so it was slowing down the game. Now the goalie can kick the ball out, and it hopefully will speed up the game. They don't have to be outside the 20.
Perfect.
As long as they're 30 metres away from the ball. That's you'd even find yourself when there's a free, kind of looking away from the game for a second, waiting for the for a stop in the game, where now it's gone, the ball's gone and has moved. So that's a big positive, I think. That the idea of that is that he can receive a pass in an attacking position as opposed to recycling the ball and being the +1 in the opposite, in his own side of the field. Well, I don't know about to manage, but definitely to watch. And I think managers adapt, and I think they'll be fine. There's a lot of quality managers out there, and it won't take them long to adapt, I'm quite sure.
How are these games?
I think, first of all, watch them with an open mind, and hopefully then that your experience, that it will be more entertaining than what you've been watching in the past.